the Alto Group in Pennant Hills. I'm here on this gorgeous winter day to take you through this fantastic 2009 Holden Commodore International Edition. So let's jump on in and take it for a drive. What a treat it is to drive this 2009 Holden Commodore International Series. It's got all the functions and features that you look for in a car, plus the extras you love. And of course, with a V6 engine, it really has the kick you need to give you the ultimate performance drive. This Holden Commodore International is a classic, iconic Australian car with a twist. Its modern styling and capabilities keep it at the top of its game. The interior has a fantastic boot capacity space to fit all of life's adventures. It also includes leather-accented trim throughout, MP3 connectivity, Bluetooth system, automatic headlamps, electronic seating for the driver, cruise control, and of course a multifunction steering wheel to put all the power right in your hands. The safety, handling and performance takes no chances with all the best features, including ABS, airbags, brake assist, electronic stability, traction control, electronic brake force distribution and so much more. This vehicle also comes with a 3-year or 175,000 kilometre mechanical protection plan. Drive away with the keys to this Holden Commodore in your hands today by visiting or calling us at Alto Pennant Hills.